What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So we know last month we saw Sharp come out with a patent for a foldable phone. So today we're seeing the actual prototype and it does look really good. It's reminding me of the Moto Razr V4 that's supposed to be coming out. So it will have a vertically foldable 6.18-inch display that's 1440 by 3040. It will be an AMOLED panel. It does have a notch at the top, which is a little big. So this guy folds inward right in the middle. Sharp claims the device is capable of withstanding 300,000 fold cycles. So this phone is going to have long-term durability. The brand official believes that it will be in high demand. So they're expecting to sell a lot of these guys. So this is going to be good competition for the Motorola Razr and just the folding smartphone trend in general. So we know the Razr 2019 is expected to come at a $1,500 price tag, so hopefully theirs will be a little cheaper, depending on what kind of specs it's gonna have. So I'll let you guys know as it comes out. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next one.